Welcome to Sinhgad Valley, where every morning comes alive with vibrant colors and the rhythm of fluttering wings. Today, we are on a mission to spot some of the valley's most stunning birds. As we drive through Pune's roads, cloaked in darkness, the anticipation builds. The city fades in the rearview mirror, and we move closer to Sinhgad Valley, renowned for its breathtaking bird life. The valley greets us with a Verditer Flycatcher, its electric blue feathers glowing in the morning light. A winter migrant, it has traveled far to spend the season here in the valley. With a flick of its tail, the red-breasted flycatcher flashes by, adding a burst of color to the scene. Meanwhile, the tree pipit blends seamlessly into the forest floor. The valley is alive with birders. Cameras click, binoculars focus, and the whispers fill the air. Through the corner of our eyes, we spot a flicker of movement in the leaves. A long white tail drops gracefully. It's the male Indian Paradise Flycatcher, a true spectacle. The Ultramarine flycatcher emerges, its small size and vivid blue feathers glowing in the morning light. A rare migratory visitor, it's a treat to see both the vibrant male and its juvenile companion. The black-naped monarch flutters after a quick dip, while sunbirds, robins, munias, bulbuls, and others put on a vibrant show. As the morning comes to an end, we leave with hearts full and cameras loaded with memories. Sinhgad Valley has gifted us another magical experience, reminding us of nature's endless wonders.